Pasukan Tindakan Indira Gandhi atau INGAT menegaskan bahawa perarakan keadilan yang dijadualkan pada 22 November hanya bertujuan mendesak pihak berkuasa memulangkan prasarana diksa kepada ibunya M. Indira Gandhi. Bagaimanapun, menurut pengerusinya Arun Doraisamy, seluruh gerakan ini akan dihentikan serta-merta jika prasarana dikembalikan.
Is there a possibility for this march to be cancelled? Yes. Yes, 100%. If we have prasarana in our hand, the very next minute, the very next nanominute, the entire the Justice March. Not only that, every case that we have filed in court, whether it's a civil suit or it's a judicial monitoring, everything cease. That is the promise, and we'll stick by the promise. Okay, if it's not prasarana. This Justice March will go on as scheduled. No seconding on that.
Perarakan aman itu bermula di Sogo dan berakhir di Bukit Aman, di mana Indira dijadual menyerahkan anak patung milik prasarana kepada pihak polis sebagai simbol kehilangan selama 15 tahun. Selain menyerahkan dokumen tindakan komitel terhadap Ketua Polis Negara berhubung dakwaan kegagalan mematuhi perintah Mahkamah Persekutuan untuk memulangkan anaknya. Arun turut menjelaskan bahawa perarakan ini menarik penyertaan luas daripada peguam, mahasiswa, universiti, kumpulan masyarakat sivil dan ibu-ibu dari seluruh negara.
So I would like to see, I mean, we know there's a lot of senior lawyers will be senior lawyers, especially Indra's the previous team, yeah, the legal team. Most of them will be present at the march, and also a lot of mothers and lawyers and students. Matter of fact, I had a few universities that actually called me and asked me if they can join. I said definitely. Kecil tapak tangan, nyiru ditadakan. So we want everyone to join us, and it is not about anything else, but about a mother. It's a story, it's a sad story of a mother and a daughter.
Perarakan ini merupakan anjuran bersama Agama Amani Malaysia dan dijangka menjadi antara kempen terbesar mendesak tindakan segera dalam kes kehilangan prasarana yang masih belum ditemui sejak 2009 selepas dilarikan oleh bekas suami Indira.